Yo, good morning, guys. Today is a beautiful day outside. Look at that. It is sunny. Yeah. And yeah, I really want to do so many things today. But also there's so many things that I need to do. Yeah, I need to organize my clothes that I washed yesterday. It's still here and in there. I need to fold that. And also I want to edit video, and also I want to go outside, and also Sumodo just return back this camera, and I saw that he has still have the photos in there, and I want to organize that. I don't know what to start. Maybe I will switch on the music and I will clean and organize first so that I can think clearly. This one is totally dry now, and I'm going to transfer it to my cabinet. And now I'm going to prepare my meal. I am now cooking the rice, and I am now going to prepare this, recook this. This is the leftover chicken from our picnic with Inigo and Wally. And this is how it is now. Let me show you the temperature at the moment. Yeah, it's something at more than 25 degrees. What's in here? I don't know exactly, but yeah, the temperature is just right. I don't know if you can hear the noise. Yeah, they are kids. They are kids. They are having fun in the swimming pool at the back. And at the moment I am editing this video that is still related to Christmas. If you are not aware, my video is almost a week late. But yeah, this before New Year for sure I'll be able to catch up. It is now 2:35. We are going outside. We are going to be walking in Kmart, in Aldi, and yeah, in Salamander Way Shopping Center. Yeah, that is how it is at the moment. Yeah, it's really nice looking, the clouds formation, also the blue sky. It's really good. But we're not going down there, we are going here instead, because later when we are going home, we are going through down there. Say come back already in love. So you can really feel the heat of the sun, but the wind is just cool. Yeah, if you can see, that guy also is having electric bike, and the same brand of this but different model. And you know, wearing this sunglass feels like everything is artificial. Feels like it is in the movie. Cinematic looking. Oh, this is the special that one of the special that they have here. This power bank, charging ports, charging phones and tablet. If this one can charge MacBook, I am going to get one. But it's not. I am taking this wipes. This is just 99 cents. Also this deodorant. This is just $3.09. We're going to take one of this oil. This is just 1 liter and 2.99 cents. And you know that this is the usual one that I am taking. It's just $2.99. And now we're going to Kmart. I want to buy something for the kitchen, like a gift for everyone in the kitchen, but they don't have much supplies. Oh, I forgot. So we're going to KFC to buy chicken. Oh, So KFC is busy. There's so many people. And when I was going out, there is a family, a Filipino family. They stopped me. We had a small conversation. They said, you are guys from YouTube, right?" He said to me like that. And then I said yes. Yeah, and then he asked me what is the best spot here in the area. I said Shoal Bay, Pingle Bay, Tumari Head. It's around 15 minutes drive from here. Yeah, that's what I said to them. And they're just doing a long drive. They are living in Sydney. They just drive and will be going back to Sydney later. I said 2 hours drive, right? 3 hours? And he said no, 4 hours traffic. Yeah, I just went to the toilet first. And look at this. This is very busy in here. Yeah, there are many people in there, everywhere around here, because a school holiday. And I am now looking for a place to sit down and eat my chicken. I don't know where. Okay, we drive a little more. We look for a place where there's not so much people. Oh, we try in here. Yeah, here is good. It's quiet. We are going to be sitting down there. But the same, there are also many people. We're going to sit here. Actually, here we're going to sit here. Yeah, and they have this KFC. I just finished my KFC, and yeah, this is how it is at the moment. While eating my chicken, there are people that are passing by in here, and in there are some yeah, there's a lady and a dog, a father and 2 kids, and there are many boats in there, and yeah, family, a lot of people on that side, because that is the proper picnic area, proper swimming area. Because this area, this is a backyards of these houses. Yeah, but this is government property, so I can't sit here. It is starting to get high tide now. Yeah, the water, as you can see, it's coming. I needed to be here just to throw this. Yeah, there are many people in here. Even these houses, many people. So I guess that most of these houses are vacation house. Oh, the flowers, they're gone. Yeah, there are so many people everywhere you go. Everywhere you look. All the beaches, there are many people. Like this. Yeah. So we're not going to do pull-ups today because many people. Yeah, all everywhere there are so many people in there. I will show you when we get to the way. Yeah, I will show you. I know it, there are many people in here. Yes, as you can see, there are people, they are doing the paddle board. They just started. And yeah, all the way through there are many people. Also on this side. Yeah, that's how it is. The love, whoa, whoa. That's what I'm saying to you, young people in the You know, people here are able to gather like that because they have time. The time is not wasted on traffic or you know, something like that. That's amazing. Yeah, people have good life here. Usually I ring the bell when I'm still this far so that they don't get shocked when I ring the bell. So they have time to move a little bit. You don't notice it in the video, but there are many people around here. From time to time I need to slow down and be careful. And this is how it is here in Albura Marina. Yeah, there are many people in there. We're not going there anymore because biking around is not really the best idea. I mean, it's better to walk if you are in that much crowd. And look at this, there is a kalesa in here. What do you call by kalesa? Carriage? I forgot in English, but that's how I know that. When I was crossing the traffic light, there is one kid. He smiled to me, and then the parents smiled again also to me. So I was thinking that maybe that family is watching my video. Yeah, thank you to them. It is now 6:18. I won't be able to catch the news. The best part of the news is the beginning.